How to access Telegram Cloud. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Do you guys want to use your Telegram's cloud feature? If yes, this is a way you can do it. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you can do is open up your Telegram. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. And after you do that, to use Telegram's cloud feature, what you can do is you can just simply open up Telegram new channel. So simply tap on this plus icon or the pen and paper icon in the top right corner. And after you tap on it, simply tap on this option that says new group or new channel. I'll just tap on new channel and tap on create channel. So I'll just name it file storage and tap on next. After doing that, you will see an option to make it public or private. I'll just make it private. And yeah, now I'll just tap on next and then tap on next again. That I've just created a new channel. If I head back, I'll see this channel right here. Now here I can just store whatever I want. I can put in my files. I can keep on different stuffs here. So I can just start sending pictures and stuff, and it will just stay here without anyone ever finding out. So I can just come back here, retrieve it, and yeah, that's basically it. And that is how you can access or create Telegram Cloud, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.